Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Worldwide Telecom. In my channel, I will share my experiences and tutorial videos. If you are fresh graduates and wants to start your career in telecommunication, then you are in right platform. Here I will upload all telecommunication equipments, installation, and its commissioning for different vendors. Huawei, Nokia, Ericsson, ZTE. And from here you can also learn power solutions, three-phase power installation, surveys for new sites, and all other technical things.
Thanks for watching and also subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.